welcome back to my channel. So today mag-vlog tayo ng USJ vlog. And well, hindi naman po siya masyadong madami, pero parang sneak peek ng USJ, ganun. Hindi po kami nakapunta sa kung ano-anong sa iba't ibang lugar doon kasi nagchikahan lang kami. If you're interested, just watch my video, my vlog. It's just a short vlog naman. So, this time today, hindi po ako masyadong nakapagturo ng Japanese. Parang parang vlog lang talaga. So, siyempre, kailangan din natin break sometimes, you know. Nandi ko na kanjili sa veterinarian. Why do I speak like this? I don't know, but ayun, kakatapos ko lang, to be honest. And yan, gulo-gulo pa yung aking hair. And yeah, yun lang. Let's go with the video. What's up? Hey guys! So I'm with my friend Niu. Hi! So we're at the USJ right now. Yan, nandiyan dyan. USJ yan. Hindi pumasok na kami kanina, pero we just got Makudo.
McDonald's?
Yeah. So in Japan, we say Makudo. Or Mac. Makudo Naruto.
Yeah.
Instead of McDonald's. It's just like a Japanese English kind of thing.
Japanglish.
Yeah. So, itadakimasu. Is it okay? So guys, magkano tayo ngayon? We're gonna have a Halloween costume. So magano ako as a girl just finished her shower. So, yan. Kunyari nag-shower tayo, guys.
You look perfect! She's finished her costume in the park.
Yeah. I just finished my costume now.
In the park?
In the park. Yes. How do I look? Do I look okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Arigato. What is gonna happen? Hands up. Yes. Hi. And guys, it's like this right now. Now we're taking a selfie because look at our outfit. Like a jidori shiteru no ima. And my friend, she's getting ready. Ima junbi shiteru. Ato de shashin noseru. That means I'm gonna post the pictures later. Drive-in. It's supposed to be Melt's Drive-in. But the R and V is like die. Hey guys, so pauwi na kami.
Chucky was like a...
Yeah, Chucky was it was horrifying.
She was so funny. She escaped like I don't know how can I say it.
I ran like a marathon athlete.
Like a winner.
Yeah, we were in the first line. Okay guys, so we're about to go home.
Yeah, finally.
Ima kara kaerimasu.
It was so much fun.
Yeah, it was such a lot of fun. We took a lot of selfies. Jidori
And we
means selfie.
screamed a lot.
Yeah, めちゃくちゃ叫んだな。
やばかったな。Angie was like,
叫びました。楽しかったです。
so much fun. Thank
Yeah.
you, Angie. Love you.
Hey guys! So, tapos na tayo sa ating vlog for today.
I didn't understand the Tagalog.
Tagalog.
Salamat.
Salamat! Arigato ne.
Arigato ne. Salamat.
Salamat. Okay, I'm just gonna talk to you guys later. Mamaya. Mata ato de.
Mamaya.
Ah, Universal! Yes, Halloween nightです。
She's wearing the towel on
いや
her
ー、シャワー
hat.
終わりましたみたいな。
私デビルです。お尻に尻尾生えてます。Oh my god.
Okay.
Go check her TikTok. Show you. It's a good time.
Yes. I don't need.
Okay.
Yes.